cocoa granola and mixed berry breakfast parfait recipe. Yield, 1 serving. Prep time, 5 minutes. Total time, 5 minutes. Ingredients: 1/4 cup 30 grams roasted cashew and coconut cocoa granola. 1/2 cup 125 grams soy yogurt or other plant yogurt. 1 ripe banana, sliced. 1/4 cup 30 grams fresh or frozen berries. 1 tablespoon 15 grams pumpkin seeds or sub-ground flax seeds, coconut flakes, optional garnish. Directions: layer ingredients in a cup or bowl, and enjoy. Notes: 1. Or use any plant-based granola or muesli you desire. 2. Nutrition tip: purchase a calcium-fortified yogurt. Check the label and aim for a product that offers about 100 mg calcium per 100 ml or 100 grams serving. 3. Variations: add your own desired fresh, frozen, dried fruit, nuts and/or seeds. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.